बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum. Characteristics of the sound. Characteristics of sounds. There are three characteristics of sound. Number one, loudness, and there are some factors on which loudness of a sound depends. Loudness is such a characteristic of sound due to which we can distinguish between a loud and a faint sound, or we can judge how much a sound will be loud or faint. Now it depends upon three factors. Number one, amplitude of the vibrating body. Let us consider this be the area of the vibrating body, and now it may be possible we hit it hard or soft. When we hit this area soft, then what happens? It will vibrate less from its mean position, so its amplitude will be lesser. And if we hit it hard, then it will move more far away from its mean position, so its amplitude will be more. As you can see here in first diagram, there be the less amplitude, and in the second diagram more amplitude. So loudness is directly proportional to amplitude, you can say, or it increase with the increase in amplitude of the vibrating body. Now second thing is the area of vibrating body. I draw here two lines, one with which show the lesser area, other which shows the more area. When we hit these two with same force, what happens? Lesser area vibrates less particles in front of it and produces weaker compressions, and in case of the bigger area will produce big compressions. So amplitude increase, so what happens? So loudness increases as well. So loudness is directly proportional to the area as well. Now third point is the distance from the vibrating body. Distance of vibrating body from listener, you can say. Distance of vibrating body from listener. As we are far away from the vibrating body, we listen lesser sound or fainter sound. Why? Because as sound move away from the source, it spread more and more, and the energy in its wavefront become lesser. So loudness is inversely proportional to the distance of vibrating body from listener. So these are the three factors on which loudness of sound depends. And what is loudness? It is the characteristic of sound due to which we distinguish between the loud and faint sound. So loudness depends upon the area of vibrating body as well as amplitude of vibrating body, you can say. Now second characteristic of sound is the pitch. Pitch is that characteristic of sound by which we can distinguish between a shrill and a grave sound. Shrill and a grave sound. Shrill sound mean high frequency and grave sound mean low frequency. So how much the sound be shrill, that depends upon its frequency, and graveness of sound depends upon its lesser frequency. Ladies and children have high sound, so their sound will shrill. On the other hand, men have low frequency, so their sound will grave. As you can see in these two diagrams, you can see there are two waveforms here. So upper waveform has less pitch or less frequency, you can say, and lower wave has more frequency. For example, now you can see from this line that this will shows that upper wave has less frequency, and if upper wave completes one wave, at the same time lower wave complete almost the two waves. So it has the double frequency as compared to the above wave. Okay, so upper wave have the low frequency and lower wave have the high frequency. And third characteristic of sound is the quality, which is also known as timbre. We can distinguish between two or more sounds of different instruments which we listen simultaneously, and those sounds may have the same loudness, or you can say amplitude, have same amplitude and same pitch. Same pitch mean same frequency. So you can see there are three waveforms here. Number one is the waveform of tuning fork. Number two is the waveform of flute, and number three is the waveform of the clarinet. Okay, these three waves have different waveforms as you can see here, but their amplitude in each case is same. As you see here, amplitude is same, or you can say their maximum distance from the central position or central line be same. And second thing, their wavelength be same, or you can say their frequency be same. As you know, V is equal to F lambda. When wave velocity and wavelength is same, then frequency be same as well. So tuning fork, flute and clarinet, all these have different waveforms but same loudness and some same pitch, and we can distinguish these sound clearly. Okay, so this be the completion of today's topic. So you have to learn by heart all these topics. So these are the characteristics of sound: loudness, pitch and quality. Allah Hafiz.